Alright, so in problem 13 here, we got to figure out if we have any outliers. Okay, so looking at the data, we're going to use our outlier rule, right? So we basically need the 5-number summary. Okay, so there's 10 numbers here. The median would be right here, and that would be 24 and a half. So looking at these numbers here, here's Q1 and here's Q3, because that's right in the middle of this cluster, and this in the middle of this cluster. Okay, and then here's our min and here's our max. So our 5-number summary. Okay, min is 8, Q1 equals 14, median equals 24 and a half. Okay, Q3 equals 33, and then max is 61. Okay, now if you're not happy doing it that way, put it into your calculator. I put the numbers in the calculator. Go to stat. Let me do that up here. Okay, put the numbers in stat calc 1-bar stats, enter, as long as it's in list 1, and then scroll down, and there's your 5-number summary right there. So there's the min, the Q1, the median, the Q3, and the max. Okay, so now what we're going to do is our what we call our IQR rule. It's actually our outlier rule. So actually put that outlier rule. We use the IQR, but it's actually the outlier rule. Okay, so we could do Q1 minus 1.5 times the IQR, and we do Q3 plus 1.5 times the IQR. Okay, so the IQR, let's do that right up here. IQR equals, we got 33 minus 14, and that equals 19. Okay, so let's put it in. Q1, 14 minus 1.5 times 19, and I know that that's going to be less than 0, so that's negative 14.5. So I go up, and my minimum's 8, so there's no outlier. There's no outlier there. There's nothing less than negative 14.5. And then I do Q3, which is 33, plus 1.5 times 19. And if I do that, I get 61.5. Now, our max is 61. So technically, there's not an outlier there either, according to our outlier rule. So there's no outlier according to either one.